Okay, I will on it. Okay, the name of the company. Okay, this is the all information, basic information of the instrument. Okay, you will get all things. So the model, version of the instrument. This is the main window of the instrument. Here is the one option. So this instrument is probably fully pre-programmed. Okay, so you don't have to enter any parameters in that. You just have to select the test. Okay, and automatically it will program. Okay, so this is the basic display. Here we are having a parameters options. Then we are having a reports with the data stored. You can retrieve all the data from the report. Okay, download data. This is for the software application. Okay, once you will connect it for the software to the system, then you will need this option, download data. This is for the date and time. Okay, for erasing all the reports, you can use the option erase reports. And customer name, if you want to add in printout, see here we are having a thermal printer also. Yeah. Okay, now here we have added MMCPL, nothing but the Motwani. Okay, so you can add here your company name or whatever you want to add, you can add here. Yeah. So that is for the customer name. Okay, we are giving up and down key. See here all are the navigation keys. Okay. We have mentioned up and down. So now you have to use this up and down key. See here I'm pressing down key, it is going down. Yeah. Okay, so like this you can use these keys. Okay, and for selecting you have to press the enter key. Here we have given the enter key. Once I will press the enter key, so I will see all the program standard here. Okay, so all pre-program standard you can see here. Now we are having one latest standard here, ISC 60156. In that we have added here latest 2018 standard. Okay, before it was a 95, but now we are also added here 2018 standard. So again with the up and down key you can select this standard also here. Okay, so this is the basic information how to select the standard and how to perform the test. Okay, now I will show you the emergency stop switch. See, I told you before that we can use this for the any emergency operation. Suppose one test is going on and we have to stop the test. Once we'll press this switch, you will get the message on the screen, emergency stop. Okay, that means we have stopped the instrument emergency. Okay, for releasing this mode, you can release this switch like this. It will release. Okay, and it will come in the normal mode. Okay, it will abort the test. Fully it will abort the test and it will come in the main window. That is for the safety purpose. Next thing is we are having a door interlock safety. As we mentioned that we are having a door interlock safety. Once your door is open, you will get the message on the display. See here, you will get the message that cover is open. Okay, if cover is open, you are not able to start the test or perform the any test or HV generation, because this is for the safety purpose. Once you will close the door, the error will go. Okay. Okay, so I have removed the earthing cable from the earth pit. Okay. And now you can see the error is here, earth open. Okay, it is interlock. Yes, we are having a interlock safety, so that is the safety purpose. Okay, so this is the interlock safety. Vessel, we call it as a oil curve. Okay, cell. Okay, this is for the 300 to 400 ml oil. Okay, you can fill the 300 to 400 ml oil. Even we have given the marking here for the oil level. See here, here is the marking for the oil. Okay, this line is for the 300 ml oil. Okay, so this is 300. Yes, this is the mushroom electrodes which we have provided. Okay, actually we have provided three types of electrodes here. First is the mushroom, this is the spherical, and this is the cylindrical. Okay. This is cylindrical. Oh, sorry, this is cylindrical, this is spherical. Yeah. Okay, so these three types of mushroom, cylindrical and spherical. Yes, we have provided. Okay, so you can easily mount this cup like this. Okay, so this is the different applications. Of course, you have to use the spherical, you have to use the mushroom. But mostly, as per Indian standard, we mostly use the mushroom electrodes. We never use the spherical and the flat electrodes. Most standards refer this type of electrodes, mushroom electrodes. Yes, so mostly in our standard packing, we only provide the mushroom electrode, and we provide it all in spare. As per IS code, mushroom. So you can use this vessel like this, and you can insert vessel in the limb like this. Okay, for the contact of the limb to the cup, you can check the contact noise here. See, you are getting the noise, metallic noise. Okay, so that is called the contact. It is properly contacting with the HV transformers. Contact completed. Yes, it is completed. Okay, so before I have shown you the lip. Okay, this is the temperature lip. This is the Teflon coated. We have protected this temperature sensor from the arcing. Okay, so we can use this like this, and we can connect this connector here. Okay, so this is the process how to assemble the oil cup in the oil chamber. Okay. So these are the three types of oil cup. Now we'll go for the accessories bag. Okay. We are having accessories bag here. See here. This is the accessories bag. Okay. So this is the part for the oil cell. We insert here oil cell like this. Okay. See here. This is for the oil cell. Okay. Here we have provided the mains cord. Same I have used a earthing cable. This earthing cable we provide here. Okay. This is the printer cable. 2 numbers we provide. Okay. These are the 4 numbers of gauges, 5 numbers of gauges we provide with the instrument. Okay. Yes. Go and no go gauges here. So these are the 4 numbers of the gauges.
Values are written over there?
Yes. All the values are written there. Here mention go and no go. Okay. Yeah. ये क्या है?
Okay. This is we are using practical.
Okay, to adjust the nut bolts of the oil cell. Okay, this is the stirrer lifter. See here we have provided the stirrer. Magnetic stirrer is there. Okay, to retrieve that stirrer from the oil, so we can use the stirrer lifter. Okay, this is called the stirrer lifter. See here. See, like this.
Okay.
Okay, so you can lift this stirrer. Okay, now this is the spare electrodes we have provided here. Okay, these are 2 stirrer we have provided. This is the Allen key to adjust the electrodes. Okay, from the oil cup. I'll show you the electrodes. Okay, see here. These are the electrodes. This is called the electrodes. Okay, suppose sometimes it gets loose. So if you want to tighten the electrodes, you can use the Allen key. We have provided the Allen key. 2.5 mm Allen key is here. You can use this Allen key and you can tighten the electrodes. Okay. Then you can again reuse it. Okay. So this is for the electrodes. Okay. As I said, you spanner is for this nut bolts. Okay. To fix the gap of the electrode. So you can use this spanner to adjust the gap. Okay. Yeah. Pen drive here. Okay. And in that we have saved the our application. OTS 100A application to retrieve the data from the instrument. Okay, so this is the pen drive. We can also retrieve data website and you can also see your all the results. We are having both the option. First, what you have to do now? First, you have to test the oil cell. Then you have to retrieve the data in your cell phone with the app. Then you can submit it to the server. So it will last for the 5 to 10 years. So you can retrieve all the last 5 years or 10 years data. Okay, that is called the voltage checker. Okay. So this is the voltage checker. Okay, for testing the voltage of the instrument, you can use this calibrator. Here we have provided the on-off switch. You can see the display is on now. Okay, here is the battery. See here. Here we have used 9-volt battery here. Okay, this is the battery operated voltage checker. This is the on-off switch here we have provided. Okay, so we'll show you all the demo about this all also. क्या कर रहा है? क्या होने वाला है सर कि यहाँ पर हम लोग HV जनरेट करने वाले हैं. अगर आपका HV के लिए जितना डिस्टेंस क्लोज रहेगा उतना आपका आर्चिंग का चांसेस ज्यादा रहेगा. तो विल हैव टू प्रोटेक्ट दिस वन. तो उसको आइसोलेट करने के लिए एज ए इंसुलेशन बोल के हम लोग ने वहाँ पे ऑयल.
ये अपनी मशीन का नीचे का पार्ट है ना?
हाँ ये
इसके पार्ट्स बताएंगे क्या क्या ये नीचे लगे?
इलेक्ट्रिकल पार्ट बताना है आपको. सो दिस इज द HV ट्रांसफार्मर. ओके, ये HV ट्रांसफार्मर है. दिस ऑल पार्ट ऑफ फॉर द सेंसिंग. ओके, दिस इज द गियर असेंबली फॉर द इंस्ट्रूमेंट. जो वेरिएक होता है उसका गियर असेंबली यहाँ पर होता है. ओके, उसके ऊपर जो होता है ना वो मेजरमेंट सेक्शन है. इसके ऊपर जो होता है वो मेजरमेंट सेक्शन होता है.
ओके
ओके,
अभी तो मेरी उंगली चली जा रही है. ठीक है, जिसको टाइट हो जाए जब बैठ जाए उसको
तो ये मूव होने के लिए स्टार्ट हो जाएगा.
अच्छा, बाहर निकालने की स्पेस
बाहर. हाँ, और फिर इसको फिक्स करने के लिए ये
बाद में फिर जब आपकी
जब
पहुंच जाए टाइट कर दीजिए.
तब आप इसको घुमा के इसको टाइट कर सकते हो, फिक्स कर सकते हो. ऐसा होता है.
अपने आप मूवमेंट यहाँ कितना kV पर सेकंड है अपना?
2 kV पर सेकंड है. 2 kV है.